Hello students, welcome to class 5 computer science class. Today we will learn about the evolution of computers. In the present era, computers influence the field of education as well as entertainment. Earlier, computers were used only by scientists and engineers for complex calculations and were very expensive. Nowadays, computers can be afforded by small organizations and even by individuals. Computers have now become a basic need because of their usage at almost every workplace. Computers are used extensively in banks, hospitals, media and entertainment, schools, homes, space technology and research, booking counters at railways or airports, etc. Computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. But a computer is not limited to a calculating device. Computers are versatile and can handle different applications at the same time. Students, can you tell me who is he? He is Andre Truong Turong Thi, a Vietnamese French engineer. He is considered to be the father of personal computers for creating the microcomputers based on an Intel 8008 processor in 1973. Students, do you know how computers came into existence? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculations. Let us glance through the major milestones in the journey leading to the evolution of present day computers. Now let's learn about the history of computers. The need to keep a track of numbers led to the invention of different counting devices. Right from abacus, the first counting device, many devices were invented, leading to the development of computers. 3000 BC, abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations developed in China. It is made up of a wooden frame with rods, each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven has two beads and earth has five beads. It is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. A skilled user can solve problems nearly as fast as somebody with a calculator. Let me share an interesting fact with you all. In 1617, John Napier made a calculating device, a set of rectangular rods called Napier's bones. The rods were made up of carved bones which were used for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and square roots. Pascal adding machine. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator at the age of 19 in the year 1642. It used gears, wheels, and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculators. Taximeter is a perfect example of it. Leibniz calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, improved on Pascal's machine in 1671. Leibniz calculator was a mechanical device. Apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division, and find square roots. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered to be the father of computers. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engine had 5 units: input, output, store, mill, and control. These units worked like the modern computers. All the computers which are used nowadays are based on it. Store was used for storing the data, and mill was the calculating unit. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. Now let me share an interesting fact with you all. Around 1822, Charles Babbage created the first mechanical calculator, the Thomas arithmometer, that could add, subtract, multiply, and divide based on Leibniz's work. Augusta Ada Lovelace. Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace was an English mathematician and a writer, chiefly known for her work on Charles Babbage's analytical engine. She is considered as the first programmer who suggested binary data storage 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. George Boole. He solved mathematical problems by reducing them to a series of positive or negative answered questions and linked them with binary system. It resulted in 1 for positive answers and 0 for negative answers. This system, known as Boolean logic, became the fundamental principle for the design of computer circuits. Students, have you heard about Dr. Herman Hollerith? Let me tell you about him. Herman Hollerith, an American statistician, invented a machine called tabulating machine. It was capable of reading data, processing it, and giving the desired output. The input was given through punched cards. The punched cards were used to record and store the data or information. Okay students, do you know the fact that in 1890 the United States Census Bureau used punched cards and sorting machines designed by Herman Hollerith. Students, we will learn more about evolution of computers in the next session. Thank you.